When your monthly income fluctuates wildly, it can feel impossible to manage your finances in a way that provides stability. But with strategic planning and discipline, you can take control of your financial situation even with an unpredictable income. The first step is tracking your income diligently over time. Document your earnings each month for at least 6 months to a year. This gives you solid data to analyze so you can calculate your average monthly income. Don't make the mistake of budgeting based on just your highest earning months. Budget conservatively based on your typical average monthly earnings. Next, build up a robust emergency fund that can act as your income smoothing tool when you experience lower earning months. Shoot for having at least 2-3 months of basic living expenses set aside in your emergency fund savings account. This provides a buffer so when your income takes a hit one month, you can supplement with your emergency savings and avoid accruing debt or missing bill payments. During months when you earn well above average, exercise spending discipline and minimize lifestyle inflation. Avoid the temptation to ratchet up your discretionary spending on dining out, entertainment, shopping just because you have extra funds that particular month. Instead, focus on maximizing savings and attacking any existing high-interest debt during flush months. Trim expenses on wants versus needs. Limit eating out and impulse purchases. Hoard cash and savings for the leaner months. Every dollar you can stash away provides you with more options and stability later. Get strategic with making certain key payments in advance when you have surplus earnings. For fixed expenses that have the same due date each month like rent, utilities, car insurance, make an additional principal payment in months when you have the cash flow. This effectively prepays future bills, reducing the burden when income declines again. For debt payments like credit cards and loans, make multiple extra payments during high-income months to pay down principal faster. Develop multiple income streams through side gigs and freelance work that you can tap into as needed when you experience dips in your primary income. Options like ride-share driving, tutoring, delivering groceries or restaurant food, writing, virtual assisting. Choose side hustles with flexibility so you can work extra hours when you need to supplement. Having these income turbines gives you the ability to crank up cash flow when your main income source has a slow month. The key throughout the ups and downs is to spend conservatively regardless of what your income is doing each month. Stick to needs, build your savings, avoid acquiring debts that enable an unsustainable lifestyle. With planning and discipline, you can create stability despite income volatility. It takes diligence and relying on systems instead of emotions, but you can take back control of your financial situation. For more money management tips for unpredictable income, be sure to subscribe to our channel.